again, guys. This is all ingredients for my chicken schnitzels. Let me show you my procedure, guys. Okay. And now, guys, let me show you. All we have to do is punch the chicken breast using this hammer punch. Okay, just like this. Oh, natanggal. This reduce the fats and water, guys. And you may turn it, guys, back to back. You may punch it back to back. Okay. Turn it in the back again. That's how I do, guys. The way I make chicken schnitzels. It's important to do this, guys. Punch. You should punch always the chicken or any kind of meat. It's most important, guys, for the procedure of schnitzels. Okay, and that's it. And you may add salt and black pepper, back to back. Just like that. And the salt. Okay. Now let's proceed the other ingredients, guys. And now here's the flour, guys. And you may add the half of the garlic from 1 teaspoon garlic. Also the cayenne pepper or paprika and the black pepper. Partially add, guys. Okay. And mix it. Mix well. And of course, you may add salt. Okay, just about 1 teaspoon salt, guys. Okay, so that's it. And let's go to another step. Here is, guys, let's beat the eggs. 2 beaten eggs. Okay, and now you may add all the remaining garlic powder and the cayenne pepper and the black pepper. Okay, and mix it well, completely mix. Okay, so that's it. And next, let's proceed to start our next procedure. Okay, and this is our next procedure again. Yummy. First coated the chicken with the flour. Okay, just like that, guys. Push. Okay, and next, guys, with the egg, like that. As you see, guys, everything, all ingredients is totally coated all together, like that. Okay, and the last procedure is with the breadcrumbs. Just like that, guys. So easy. And after, we can cook this. And this is our schnitzels, guys. Chicken schnitzels. And now, this is ready to cook. But, guys, I can tell you also about, if you don't want to cook this right away or right now, you can keep it in the refrigerator, but not longer, 1 day. Okay, so guys, let me show you now the way I cook it. Okay, so guys, I got this round baking pan, and you may put the parchment paper. Okay, and a little bit of oil, cooking oil, and spread it around. That's it. Here's the schnitzels, guys. Okay, now let's bake in the oven. Okay, now it's ready. Cook about 15 minutes to 20 minutes. And that is, guys, after 20 minutes or 15 to 20 minutes. It depends on your temperature, guys. And this is the chicken schnitzels in the oven. It's really look good, guys. As you see, guys, there is no oil. It's better than and the frying pan.